Hello my dear friends, my name is Kirill and today we will take a look at LEGO Technic Set 42148. This is a snow groomer. You may see these machines at ski tracks or ski resorts. According to the official LEGO website, this model consists of 178 pieces. It's one piece more than in a dump truck 42147. But this is a tracked vehicle, so here we have 56 track links. So if you look for some common pieces and you don't need these tracks, for you this model contains apparently only 122 pieces. This set contains 5 gears, 16 teeth gears for tracks and the black one for handle. Also here we can see pulleys. These pieces will be used to support tracks, and here we have a decent amount of panels. 3 black panels. I don't like this one because it's not transparent. This semi-transparent panel was introduced a few years ago, but I still miss completely transparent version. And what I absolutely like that here we have new short panels, this time in red color. These panels look very promising and I'm sure they will be used in many future sets and mocks. Also we have a usual 5-stud long version. We can combine these panels together, of course. I like it. And also, surprisingly, we have 2 wheels here, and maybe this link could be useful too. 2 pins with ball joints to connect it, and other pieces are pretty common. The model is finished and now we can check the functions. We can roll it, and its tracks are rotated perfectly due to the special wheels connected to rear gears. I've already seen this solution in a LEGO City set. Of course, on the table tracks have almost no friction, so the model is pretty maneuverable. The snow groomer has a wide blade and there are 2 handles to control it. We can elevate it and also tilt to both sides. Due to ball joints here and here, these functions work independently with some restrictions, of course. When we elevate it, you can see that this beam touches the windshield, but in the lower position it works perfectly. So I think it's okay for such a small model. It works pretty nice. And in the rear part we have one more handle to operate the tail. All the mechanisms are simple and very similar. I'll detach tracks for better vision. We have a parallelogram here, here, and also we have a parallelogram here, and to be honest we have one more parallelogram here. How to show it better? Yeah. So all these 3 functions are pretty the same, but what I really like that all these linkage systems fit this teeny tiny model. So I like this small model, it's fun to play with it, it has realistic functions and also it contains some useful pieces, including new short panels in red color. The set also has a B model, but I am not too excited about this snowmobile. Please share your thoughts about this set in the comments section, give a like if you like this video and subscribe to my channel not to miss future interesting videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!